The most common replacement part for the Jet drum sander is the sandpaper. Start by disconnecting your sander from the power source. Next, open up the dust hood, locate the clip on the left-hand side of the drum, and rotate the clip to the 0 position. Depress the clip, then begin to pull the paper out. Roll the drum with one hand while you slowly pull out the sandpaper with the other. Depress the clip on the right-hand side of the drum and pull the paper completely out. When reinserting the paper, the rule of thumb is to give 1/2 inch or 3/4 of an inch into the gap created from depressing the black and silver portion of the spring clip. Now that the paper is inserted into the clip, hold tension with your left hand while you roll the drum forward. Roll the paper onto the drum, but do not overlap. Continue to rotate the drum and roll the paper. Press the right-hand clip of the drum up and insert the paper as far as you can. If you have too much paper, carefully tear a bit off and check the paper for tautness. If it isn't tight enough, press the paper in again. The paper may stretch over time, and you may have to periodically tighten. Jet offers a simple way to order all of the replacement parts you might need for your drum sander. You can find replacement parts on our website at jettools.com by clicking on the Parts Store. If you need any service or repair, one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.